So, dear students, we will learn today about the third chapter, uses of computers. Okay, in this lesson, we will learn how in different how computers is importance of computers in day to day life, how computers are used in different places, okay, for different tasks. Okay, these characters, Mughals, Yas, Avni, they are talking. Okay, Mughals is telling, okay, name 3 places where you cannot find computers. Yas telling well. Okay, Avni telling computers are so important these days. Okay, they can be very used almost every day, everywhere. All the time computers are used, all the time, right? So they are discussing. Mughals tells yes, in a bookstore, shop, home, school, mom and dad's office, everywhere, in so many places. Okay, all everywhere computers are used, right? So there is a small poem. Computers are everywhere. Let's see. Okay, now and then, here and there, computers are useful everywhere. Working is fast, working is good. When we use computers where we should. So if we can use computers, then working is very fast. Okay, and working is very nice also. So using computers, work is done very nice. Okay, so these days the computers are used almost everywhere, school, homes, hospital, hotels, banks, okay, all places. So in schools, how we'll see. Okay, in schools, teachers, okay, they use computers to teach all subjects, not only computers or English, maths. They teach all subjects in computers to, okay, so that it will be enjoyable. Enjoy, you can enjoy. Okay, timetables also they prepare. Okay, they prepare also timetables. They prepare test papers also before the exam. Okay, for the exam, and after the exam you write the exam. They do the report card in the computers also, and in the school library, okay, computers is used to keep records of books. Okay, so if you want a book, okay, librarian will check if the book is available or not. If book is available, he issues the book. Okay, so then students also practice in the lab, computer lab. Okay, they practice computers. Who? Students. Computers are also used in the school office, also in the fee counter. Okay, you must have seen. Then at home, in home also use computers for doing the school project and for the homework also. Okay, so use computers. Next is in the home, how you are using in other. Okay, so you talk with your friends, okay, relatives, okay, to them through computers you chat, and you do the email also to them. Okay, mail. Okay, then you also hear music. Okay, you listen to music, and you also play games. You also sometimes watch a movie in the computer. Okay, So you also sometimes search some information in the computer. In the Google you search, and computer has a dictionary also. You can also use that dictionary to and learn new words, new words. And in offices how in office it is used. Okay, in office they store the information in files. Nowadays they are storing, okay, not in paper but in computers. Okay, and in office of architects, engineers, okay, artists, those who draw, they draw drawings on the computer, right? And authors, you know, authors they write stories, okay, poems, they also write in computers. Okay, then okay, and also calculations, they are in the offices, okay, they are used in computers. Okay, and mails, okay, in the office mails are sent, okay, and work is done speedily because of the computers. Okay, then at a railway station, railway station what happens, a booking of tickets, you must have seen tickets we are getting from the computers, and reservation ticket also we do from the computers, and from our home also, home computer we can do the reservation. Okay, then we also take the help of our computers to know the timing of the train, okay, when it will arrive, okay, whether right time or a delay. So we see from the computers. So then about the passengers, when you book tickets, your information the computer stores. Okay, then next thing we will see about we saw about the railway station, right? So next thing is the hospitals. In hospitals what happens, patients, okay, so computers keep the records of patients, okay, name, address, phone numbers, and what disease they have, medical history, then report cards, reports, okay, so that is also prepared in the computers, okay, and printed by the computers. The patient's condition, how he is, okay, that is also taken by the computer. And eyesight testing, suppose you go for your to test your eye, so okay, so then computers they take the do this testing in through the computers. Okay, then doctors also use in the operation theaters they use computers. Okay, so then we will read about banks, how in the banks it is used. Okay, computers, so banks who go to banks, the customers, and their information, how much they are taking loan, how much they are saving, so all this info, how much they are withdrawing, how much they are depositing, so deposit, withdraw, they are in the, so computers do that. Then ATMs also, ATMs who have computers, you must have seen in the ATMs are computers. Okay, that also touch screen computers. Okay, so you can do, so some questions are there, you can practice that. Okay, and dash have computers that help us to take out money quickly. Yes, that is the ATMs. in the school library, the school computer helps to keep a record of a dash, to keep a record of a what? A record of library, so record of books. Teachers prepare report cards and dash on the computer. So report cards and worksheets. Okay, you are getting worksheets. Then the dash in a computer also helps us meanings of the words. We have discussed computers have dictionary. Okay, we get information about train. Okay, dash on the computers. Train timings. Okay, so this is about that is some question answers. Now we will see more places, more uses. So computers are used everywhere. Okay, so in the every shops also they are used to print bills. Okay, and the chemist shop means medicine store. Okay, so, to find out where the medicine is kept. Okay, and also into book plane tickets. Okay, and animation, those who are making animations, they also use computers. Okay, so let's see the summary, that is summary. The computers are used to carry out our day-to-day activities, right? And they are used everywhere. Because of and for that the work is done faster. Okay, at homes, schools, offices, everywhere the work is becoming faster. We do the work very speedily. Okay, so with this lesson is over and you will do the exercise. Okay, you will read the lesson, see the video and do the exercise. Okay, thank you.